To buy USDT on Bitmart, start by creating an account on the Bitmart website. Click on the Sign Up button and fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Bitmart. Once your account is verified, log into your account and click on the Verification tab to complete the Know Your Customer process. This is a mandatory step to ensure the security of your account and to comply with regulatory requirements. You will need to provide identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license, and proof of address. After completing the verification process, deposit funds into your account. Bitmart supports a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers and credit cards. Click on the Deposit button and select your preferred payment method. Follow the instructions to complete the deposit process. Once your funds are deposited, click on the Trade tab and select the USDT market. You can search for USDT in the search bar or browse through the available markets. Click on the USDT market to open the trading page. On the trading page, select the buy option and enter the amount of USDT you want to buy. You can also set a limit price to buy USDT at a specific price. Click on the Buy button to execute the trade. Your USDT will be credited to your account immediately after the trade is executed. You can view your USDT balance in your account dashboard. It is recommended to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. It is also important to note that buying USDT on Bitmart is subject to fees, including trading fees and withdrawal fees. Make sure to check the fees before making a trade. Additionally, be aware of the market risks involved in trading cryptocurrencies and never invest more than you can afford to lose. By following these steps, you can buy USDT on Bitmart safely and securely. Always prioritize account security and trade responsibly.